Hello, my name is Li Ling. I'm working in healthcare industry. I'm 41 years old this year. My main goal to learn investing is because I want to gain more financial knowledge, but not just because of that. I want to apply what I've learned to be able to invest and grow my money so that I can actually go for travels and also spend more time with my family. I managed to chance upon an advertisement featuring Cayden and also testimonies about his previous students, how they benefited from VIA workshop. So I decided to come. My most favorite part would be the trade show because there was a lot of work involved, preparation, but through the preparation work, I managed to actually apply what I've learned into the case studies and also being able to present in front of my fellow classmates and also to the coaches and the teachers. So my most helpful lesson is actually learning more about the business and also the financial statements, how to read the financial statements. That actually is very important in the evaluation of a company. Definitely, I would recommend VIP to my fellow friends, family, because I think it's very important, especially those who do not have prior financial knowledge or who also want to learn more about what I have learned today.